Hey guys, Jed here from Northern Rec PC Builders. Today we have something exciting on the table. It is the ASUS RTX 5070 Ti OC Edition with our Sync. This is a powerful looking GPU, and before we install it, we're going to unbox it, check the design, and see what is included inside. The packaging already gives a premium gaming vibe, and of course, it has Aura Sync to match the RGB of the whole setup. So let's not waste any more time, let's unbox this ASUS 5070 Ti and see this card up close. Here it is, out of the box, the ASUS 5070 Ti OC Edition. The card really looks clean and premium. It has that aggressive ASUS design, solid cooler, and of course, it feels like a high-performing GPU. You can see the solid backplate and the overall size of the card. The card has triple fan design and a large cooler underneath. Feels solid, powerful, and ready for high-performance build. So let's install this in 3, 2, 1.